Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your Sony headphones. So this will put them back to factory settings. First thing we need to do is make sure they're turned off. At this moment in time, these are connected to the phone, but by the time we finish the reset, they will disconnect from the phone. So we're going to turn them off by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds. And now these are turned off. We're going to hold down the power button and the custom button for around 5 or 6 seconds, both at the same time, and the little light here will flash blue 4 times. Once it's flashed blue 4 times, let go, they will then be reset. So let's do it now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. There we go. Flash blue 4 times, let go, and they will turn themselves off. Now when you turn them back on, they will no longer connect to the phone because they've been reset. Thanks for watching.